I'm going to do the cinematic shots.
No, not that one. Spontaneous video. Me and the lads have come to the golfing range before our club barbecue.
Yep.
There's
Dan in
don't get that one off. That's alright, I didn't get that one, mate.
Good.
Danny G's on the swing now.
Right, this will be good.
You ready for it? Let's go. See what we got.
Right.
No pressure.
Oh, that was clean, mate.
Good one either.
That was pretty. Was that not clean?
No.
Alright, okay. So the super drink is back.
Ooh.
It's a different colour this time though. Not as green. Not as green as it was.
I think I'm putting too much in some sort of, like one of each stem.
Oh, you're putting too much of everything in? Oh, so that's why it'd be less green there.
If you notice a bit more runny as well, so
Yeah. Still tastes
drinkable. Oh, no.
Still tastes alright. But same thing as before, like just the thickness. I almost can't deal with.
Man, I need to drive next time. Oh my god.
That's what I'm doing.
You're on the KW.
It's not going to go out of the thing. Sorry, that's just a practice. Oh my god! It was a practice swing.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Come on, practice swing.
Yeah. Real thing now?
Yeah.
Almost.
Oh my
God, over there. So
Nice,
Yona.
I need to start a little bit.
No, right.
I'm just warming up, guys. Just warming up.
Yeah, you need to mobilise. You need to stretch.
Yeah.
Get that stretch.
Wait.
That was not good. That was not good. Okay. Take two. Right, this one's going well. Oh, okay, right. Okay. This one's going well.
Right, come on. Just relax into it, mate.
Yeah, you try too hard, mate. Try too hard. Oi.
There we go.
I posted a short video on my Facebook page last week where I was basically talking about how I don't think athletes who aren't quite on the top of the podium are not supported enough or encouraged enough to keep on going and keep on achieving their own dreams. It made me kind of appreciate how much I enjoyed representing Jamaica, because the support that I get from every competition that I do for the last 5 years or so has been 100% positive, completely unconditional. I wanted to ask my dad, him being Jamaican, what made Jamaican people like that, why they are so unconditional with their support for their athletes, because I know in different countries the fans can be a bit fickle and a little bit negative sometimes if athletes don't quite achieve what they're supposed to achieve. So I went and asked my dad and wanted to see what he had to say about it. And I didn't really mean it to be about me. And to a certain extent it is about me, because obviously I'm not one of the top athletes in the world. But the response I got from like all the Jamaican people was like ridiculous. Like, let me find some of the comments that I had. So firstly, the video got like 2,000 views, which I haven't reached for a while. Even my last video that I posted, which was of a dive, that only got 279 views. But the comments, one of the comments was like, "I can tell you we Jamaican love you and appreciate you, whether you are on top or the bottom. You have written history to be the first Jamaican diver to represent the country at the Olympics." Even someone said they're not from Jamaica, but hopefully like I can inspire people to follow in footsteps and basically like making my point for me, like the stories of the athletes who aren't necessarily on top are sometimes better because they almost mean more.
Yeah, the other day, who's the one in control now?
Of
the sport, the Jamaican sport.
I don't actually know the name, you know. It's the JOA. Yeah, it's all changed.
Yeah, but it was in the green, and you know, he mentioned all the sport and he never mentioned nothing about diving.
Yeah.
And he mentioned every other, you know, that they'd like more participants in there to head for the Olympics.
Yeah.
In different type of sports.
Mhm.
But he never, you know, he never mentioned anything about diving.
Alright, big man Matty Lee. This guy's the pro. He's the pro at this. He's the pro. We're going to see some good stuff now. Oh, look at that techers. Some right techers there, mate.
Mate, how'd you get a connection?
A good technique.
Yona. Ui. Wieder der. Jö. Go on, Yona. See that?
Mike Fennell, the old president of the JOA, he knew of me, he knew me quite well, and he would send me emails occasionally, like, seeing what I was doing. The first thing I've heard when the new set of people came into power is that they're not as, what's the word? Not as sympathetic for aquatics. If they want to broaden the amount of sports that do enter the Olympics for Jamaica, they have to think about sports like aquatics, because look how big it is for America.
If you go back to the introduction of the bobsleigh team,
Yeah.
I mean, they were really laughed at in every office that they went in, you know, and it's just the determination of the guys, and that you know, they got to go into it, but then they warmed to it because one, they did it, they took part in it irrespective of the result. They took part in it, they did it, well, gracefully really, because you know, they didn't let themselves down, they didn't let the country down, they just did it.
Yeah, and did it well. You have the organisations and the associations here, and then the people are just completely different because, as you say, they had a story in the Gleaner which they didn't mention diving, which, like, fair enough, whatever. But the people that have been following me and been supporting me since like before the Olympics and like now, it's been 100% support. The British and Jamaican support is so different. I feel like the British support is like pretty much negative support. If you do well, it's fine and they'll support you, but if you're not doing well, they'll be against you pretty much. Whereas with Jamaicans, whether you do well or not, they've got your back 100%. And what I wanted to ask was basically, what makes Jamaican people like that compared to British people?
Well, everything is an introduction. This is like England is like a continuation of, yeah. But with Jamaica, it's like an introduction to a sport.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, because of long gone stories about the reason why we don't swim and do that, you know.
Mm-hmm.
That's been eradicated now. What you've done, I think you should be more. Yeah, I think you should be more recognized for it, really.
Yeah.
And I don't know how you feel about it, but you know, I reckon there was a bit more. There was a bit more publicity, a bit more encouragement.
Well, that's exactly the point I made.
When they told me what you'd done,
Mm-hmm.
contacted Jamaica to represent them, and then they made their demand, and
Yeah.
this is what you've got to do. And then I asked you if you understood the duty you're undertaking, and what you're putting yourself upon, and you said yes.
Mm-hmm.
That was encouragement for me to do what I had to do to get you where you're at now. But it still needs a bit more. I think it still needs a bit more encouragement from the top people, you know?
Yeah, it's always about people from the top, really, isn't it?
But, you just got to keep doing it until you never know one session, one turn around the corner, and
Yeah, it can literally be one performance that can change everything so quickly. But you just got to keep doing. You just got to keep doing what you do and do it the best way.
and enjoy it, and you know, you tell yourself, well, if you don't feel like you can do the bending up and the training.
Trust me, I question that every day. I question that every day.
Yeah, man.
It's not easy.
It
It really is difficult.
You can't do much more. Just continue to do what you're doing.